Hi there, my name is Flav and welcome back to Dream Mullet. Today I'm going to show you the entire process of creating the Ganesh figurine as seen in Uncharted Lost Legacy. So let's see the creation of this item. To model this item, I opted to divide into different pieces. The first part is the base and the other one is the overall shape of the top. To create the actual Ganesh, I use ZBrush because it's more suited to create organic shapes, just like the one that we see in the Ganesh figurine. One thing I noticed when modeling this replica was the fact that although both sides had the Ganesh in them, one side was practically flat, while the other one had a little curvature associated with it. This was a detail that I didn't notice when I first played the game and decided to make this item. When the model was done, I 3D printed into 3 different pieces the base and both of the sides of the Ganesh figurine. The division of both of the faces was basically just to avoid printing them without supports, which makes the post-printing process much easier. With all the pieces printed, I apply a layer of primer filler and a coat of gold spray can to give the overall look of this item. To simulate the wear of the item like we see in the game, I opted to use a brown shoe polish. I brush it all over the pieces and then with a sponge clean the excess, leaving only the shoe polish in the bottom parts of the figurine. This method gave that bronze and weather look to the item, leaving the salient parts of it with the gold look associated with it. And that was the whole process of creating this item. And there you go, this item looks amazing and I'm really happy about the shoe polish method, which took this replica to the next level. Like all my other items, this one is going to be for sale on my Etsy store, where I have all the replicas that I created from the Uncharted franchise. I will leave the link of my store in the description below if you want to check it out. As always, thank you for watching and remember, dream on!